Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. New Year is almost here, so I hope you guys are all ready with your resolutions of like losing weight, going to gym, gaining muscle and all of that stuff. My resolution is to get more DIY videos, to work more on my Ninja 300 and whichever bike I buy next. For now, it took me a little longer than expected to realize that these pilot lamps, these position lamps, the green one, they look awful, they look really bad. And because I am not the one who is watching it from the front, right? I'm the one who's sitting behind this and I don't see it. But many of my friends, they started to complain. Ayub and everybody else, Yogs, they started saying that, dude, this is looking very bad, you need to change it. Now I wish it was easier to change it, because as small as these lights are, they're like tiny, they're like this much big, that's all. But it takes a lot of effort because of the design of the Ninja, right? So just to replace these two pilot lamps or the position lamps, I have to open up the entire side panels. I have to open up the panel that goes underneath this part, and then all of that, once that is out, that's when I can actually access the point which is right behind this. So that's why I was a little bit lazy getting it, doing this or replacing it. But then now the climate is friendly as well. It's winter, so I don't think I will be sweating a lot doing this job. So let's get started with it. So first of all, I have to get rid of this entire side panel. To do that, I have to remove 3 bolts. You can see I've already removed it. One is here, one is at that point, and one is here at underneath this pipe. And then for the upper part, so that will actually replace this bottom part, whatever says Kawasaki, this thing will come out. And then for this whole part, there is one Allen key here, one over here on the top, this one. So this has to come out. And then before we actually take this out, there are a couple of push button screws over here at the underneath the main headlight stay panel. So then here, this whole side, you can see there are 2, and similarly there are like 6 of these. So they all have to come out, and then I can get rid of this. So this whole part will come out, and once this is out, then I can access the pilot lamp from behind this. So let's get started. So the right hand side part, anyways, I have removed all the bolts, and it's time to do on the left hand side. So it takes about 5 minutes to get rid of all these Allen keys, all these Allen bolts, and make sure that you keep all of these properly, because you don't want to lose any of them. Otherwise, if you lose any, all the fairing parts will start making rattling noise, and you don't want that. So the one here, it usually will have a small washer, so make sure you keep the washer safe. Now if you find it difficult to take this out, just by pulling it, go behind the panel and then try to feel where exactly the joint is, where the clip is, and then push it gently with your finger, so that will actually push the bottom part of the fairing out. Now let's see here, this, like, I'm not sure where exactly it is, so I'll just put my finger behind it and then I'll gently take it out. So this is the bottommost part. It's full of scratches that have come due to going off-roading with this. Now it's time to remove this part. So for this, to remove this part, first we have to remove detach the internal part of the fairing, which goes alongside the radiator and underneath the headlight stay. Again, it's a similar clip mechanism, so there's nothing fancy, there's no rocket science. Imagine the amount of pain just to replace 2 position lamps. How much drama you have to do. Oh god, I wish Kawasaki had made this design a lot more simpler. But anyways, from international markets, this bike has been discontinued now. I do not know if it's as complicated on the Ninja 400 as well. Maybe it is, maybe it is not. Alright, now so that this part has come out, look at my hands and my fingers. Anyways, this is where the pilot lamp is. See these wires, the red and the yellow one, yellow with black and red. So this is where the pilot lamp is. Let me just gently pull it out. I got a white color one, it's a similar LED, and we'll see if this works. I don't know if these have the negative and positive issues See, oh yeah, it is working. So now it's again time to put this back in. Where did that go? Here, yes, this place. See the light coming in from here? This is where it will go. There is no rotating, there is nothing. You just need to push it, that's all. And yeah, this is in place. Now the same procedure for the other side. I mean, while I was replacing this, I changed the LED as well. I've gotten a new set of LED. I think it's called Katana. Let me fetch the box. Yeah, it is this. It is called Katana. I got it from Amazon US, and this cost me about like $30. It's roughly the same price as the previous one, which was a night eye. And the reviews are quite good on Amazon. Let me see if this works, if it's good or bad. For now, yeah, this is it, the DIY. Now I have to get back to packing all this, clean up all the mess that I have done here. Every guy passing by, man, woman, equal alike, I mean, they are all looking at the motorcycle, looking at me, that what the heck is this guy doing? But yeah, this is what I like to do. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'll see you guys. Bye bye.